So, ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. I've just found out the problem with the sanli, whatever it's called. The flywheel key has sheared. So this is going to give us a nice opportunity to try out the US Pro harmonic balancer puller. So set it up and we'll have a look. Well, this is an absolute bomber because this harmonic balancer's worth of well, it's pretty useless really, because not any of the bolts that's provided with it fit in the frigging holes, and I haven't got anything that's going to fit it, so there's no demonstration with that. So I'm going to have to try it old school, you know, for the best. That was too easy, wasn't it? That was too easy. That was just too easy. And as you can see, it's pretty bent. Even better. That's basically an off. So let's put a good one in and see if we can get this to work. Oh, this will be interesting. It's either going to run and detonate into a billion pieces, or it's going to run and not detonate into a billion pieces. So fingers crossed. Still not 100%, but the flywheel key was obviously sheared, so possibly the blade's not quite right. We'll have to have a quick look at that. But wow, can't believe that. What a quick fix, really. I mean, yeah. So yeah, we'll have a look at the blade and then we'll go from there, I think. But I mean, at least it's pulling over now. You couldn't even pull it over before, so she's a runner.